What's up guys, Margaret is here. Today I'm gonna teach you what's the easiest way to solve once for all the problem with the back seal on your LS engine. What you need to do is simply go in Amazon or anywhere, but Amazon is the cheapest with $53. Order the original part. You don't need to change the seal. You go in there, GM, the number is 126399250. You go in there, you order it, it's coming ready with the sealer, it's in the box. You're getting this piece, you have the screws, has everything ready to go. Original screws, original plate, original gasket, and you need to simply do 3 steps. Let me show you really quick. Always I use the gray silicone, and I always leave a little bit of tip like that. If you see now, I'm gonna take it out. So now it's ready to go. Always leave the silicone outside. So now I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna lift it a little bit, and I'm gonna go to add silicone, one simple line down here. Boom. One simple line on the other side between the gasket and the plate. One simple line on the gasket, between the gasket and the block, and one more between the gasket and the block from the other side. So that was the biggest move. Here we go. He's coming out, ready to go. You leave it back. You're done with this, and you get in my favorite blue Loctite. You unscrew it. It's always clean because you always leave it clean before. You get this thing up, you go like that, and you add 1 dot for blue Loctite. I use the gel blue Loctite. You go in here. After you add the dot, you ready? Cleaning. I have the engine in the stand. That's make things always extra difficult. And if this one pop out from inside to outside, and you put it back again, not opposite, inside to outside, okay? And you go here. It's a little bit extra difficult with my stand because I don't have so long screws. But if you have this one in your, the engine is in the car, it's extra easy. You go there, you're pushing a little bit, you line up all your 13 bolts. Here we go. This one need to go out, and before you touch it, you try to screw the 13s. I like to use my retro nuts here, and I'm going like that. I screw all of them. Let's skip to the part 2. I have screw everything. You see, I tied them down, not all the way. I'm just very close. So now is the time. With my finger, I'm gonna go up and down like that on the back cover to the block, and I'm gonna lift this plate on the spot till I feel it's even. Okay, and a little bit up here. So all the screws, it's almost close, but it's not touching. So when I feel that it's even, I'm gonna go here. Check it again. And tie them down. When I'm gonna tie it down, I'm gonna see the silicone coming out for the size. Tie this down, everything. 18 foot-pounds, it's the number you need to tie them down. But I do it usually by hand. I cannot put the torque here. I know what about is 18 foot-pounds. So tie them all down and you're ready. Next video, I'm gonna show you how you're gonna install your oil pump. Some important steps, okay? Stay tuned. if your oil pan gasket leaking, on the next week I'm gonna explain you how you're gonna fix that problem.